me, Hey, this freestyle shit, man, this shit off the dome. And this the last song on the tape. You know what I'm saying? Call this whole closure freestyle. You know what I'm talking about? Alright, hey. If he ain't caught a body, can't be around me. You don't know how I feel knocking nigga down. I was 16 with a Glock 19, nigga come through playing, get kicked out the town. I'm sorry, I done broke a lot of bitches hard. I done took a lot of nigga cars. Nigga acting like he hard. One nigga at his yard, he fake as hell, fraud. Switch going out trying to hit some bullets just flying. Nigga conducting that. I ain't trying to lay up and kiss you. Bitch, I'm a dog on worse, I'm bullet. Yo, nigga, shit ain't tripping about shit you do. Just call when you free, I'm off the pussy glue. Let's go. Valet when I pause. I'm walking straight through the VIP. Don't reach for the chain, I'm gonna come up.
What's up, YouTube, man? You feel me? I ain't gonna lie. We just got fucked up last night, you feel me? Charger all type of fucked up. I'm finna give y'all a sneak peek of the charger. Hold on. This shit crucial, man. Look at my baby. Oh, look at my baby. Hold on. Look at my baby. The fender. You know, like the door a little bit. The door's still open though, but he really fucked up his fender. I pray it ain't the frame. We can take the wheel off though and see if it's the shaft or the ball joint is broke real quick. So let me get back to y'all in a minute. Got my nephew on the wheel, feel. Oh. Come on, turn. Man, it's crazy. Nephew done put more work in than anybody else.
No.
Come on, 30. You got it.
No.
Alright, YouTube. I know it's, people cutting lawn and shit, but the ball joint is stuck in the tire. So I got all the nugs off. It ain't coming out. I'm gonna let the air out and try to get as much pressure off of the tire and ball joint as much as possible so it can wiggle itself out. But I'm pretty sure it penetrated that tire. Can y'all see that? Hold on, we're gonna get some air out. Get some more air out of there. Watch out, little man. Go on. Yeah, it's with it.
Me, Hey, this freestyle shit, man, this shit off the dome. You know what I'm talking about? And this the last song on the tape. You know what I'm saying? Call this whole closure freestyle. You know what I'm talking about? Alright, hey. If he ain't caught a body, can't be around me. You don't know how I feel knocking nigga down. I was 16 with a Glock 19, nigga come through playing, get kicked out the town. I'm sorry, I done broke a lot of bitches hard. I done took a lot of nigga cars. Nigga acting like he hard. One nigga at his yard, he fake as hell, fraud. Switch going out trying to hit some bullets just flying. Nigga conducting that. I ain't trying to lay up and kiss you. Bitch, I'm a dog on worse, I'm bullet. Yo, nigga, shit ain't tripping about shit you do. Just call when you free, I'm off the pussy glue. Let's go. Valet when I pause. I'm walking straight through the VIP. Don't reach for the chain, I'm gonna come up.